So before I started the program, my back pain really started to make me question. I work out a lot and I started to question whether I was doing things that were helping it or hurting it. I was getting worried. I was concerned that long term I wouldn't be able to keep my active lifestyle. And so it affected me in that way. And before, it also just affected my confidence and being able to just do normal day-to-day things. Like if I had to bend over and pick something up or do yard work or anything like that. Yeah, so the pain would impact my confidence just day to day because I would be concerned, even things like picking things up or having to move, a chair, or I work in the fitness industry, even helping my clients or working with my classes. I was really starting to notice that I didn't have the same confidence that I had had when I was younger. So I hurt my back a long time ago. I hurt my back 20 years ago. So I had been through a lot of things. I had seen doctors, I had seen physical therapists. So what was different about this program is that I really felt like it focused on how I as an individual could improve my situation. And meaning that I was given the tools to help not just strengthen my back, but also bring an awareness to the dysfunction in my back. So it wasn't just about going through the motions or doing exercises or doing certain movements to make things better. It was really about improving my strength, improving my mobility, and also improving my awareness of how to even address what I was dealing with in my lower back. So this program makes me feel more in control of my recovery because I'm given incremental steps that I can really work on and really implement into my life and implement into my workouts, implement into daily living. And that's been something that's enabled me to really take more control personally over it. And just it couples with that awareness, just having that knowledge come from Dr. Antonio about what's going on. And so I have that knowledge coupled with the tools he's given me that has really just helped me in ways that I didn't get before. So since I started the program, specific things that have helped me develop my confidence really have been, like, I'm in the fitness industry. I've worked out my entire life. I've been an athlete. So it's not like I didn't know what to do. And it's not that I wasn't strong, but what I gained from this program was a more intimate knowledge of my specific body and specifically what the dysfunction, so to speak, was in my back so that I could have that awareness, have the tools, and now I can go forward with a more productive and confident life. So this program has really changed my outlook for the future because my goal, I told Dr. Antonio, was I still want to be deadlifting when I'm 90. So I was questioning whether that was going to be realistic because I didn't know how to really fix this. And even more importantly, I didn't know how to manage it as I keep getting older. And so now my outlook is a lot better. I feel like now with that awareness and with the tools, and even if I might have a little setback here and there, it doesn't put me in a panic mode anymore because now I know what to do.